Hello everyone, this is Kyle from Refinery Pass. I wanted to share a clip from a safety course we created. If you want to take the full course and receive a certificate of completion, you can use the link in the description to find the course on our website. If you like the course but need something a little more custom created for you, send me an email at kyle@refinerypass.com. Hope you enjoy this little sample.
The most important procedures of these occurs if you have a personnel change during the time the equipment's being serviced. In these situations, it's important to maintain continuity of responsibility. First, personnel from the new incoming work shift must install their own lockout-tagout devices. Then, the locks and tags that were installed by the departing work shift should be removed. Other special situations arise when the same energy source powers multiple pieces of equipment, or when the piece of equipment you're working on is linked to other equipment. Supervisors should be contacted before any lockout-tagout work is performed. And another special situation occurs when a system must stay on when it's being serviced, because the functioning of the equipment is essential to the facility's normal operation. Again, you must consult your supervisor if you encounter a special situation like this one. And while they don't normally occur with 120-volt systems, you need to be aware of the possibility of an arc flash if you're working with higher voltages. Arc flashes occur when a short circuit is created in the air between 2 points where electricity is being conducted, or between one point of electricity and the ground. Arc flashes can be extremely dangerous. Essentially, they are explosions, and in addition to the force of the blast itself, the arc flash produces intense heat and often a shotgun-like spray of molten metals as well. A number of things can cause arc flashes. Accidental contact with live parts or wires. Having an object that conducts electricity, like a metal tool, come in close proximity to a high heat source of current sparks generated by opening breakers or replacing fuses, deteriorating insulation, or the buildup of corrosion on electrical terminals, and fumes or chemical vapors in the air that facilitate conducting electricity. Energy sources control panels and other equipment where the risk of an arc flash exists are often marked with specific warning labels, so be sure to look for them whenever you're doing an electrical lockout. If you see an arc flash warning, consult your supervisor to determine the proper procedures for working on the system. Another special situation occurs if the buddy system should be used when you're performing lockout-tagout procedures, particularly when the power source is not inside the operating portion of the machinery. In these situations, one person works on locking out the power while the buddy observes and tests the machinery. Sometimes a group of people works together on a locked-out machine. In these cases, lockout-tagout devices that are designed to permit more than one worker to lock out the same power source simultaneously must be used. Each authorized employee must have fixed their own lock and tag to this group lockout-tagout device. If a number of groups are going to be working on the same machine, one employee can be authorized